swimming in my lilac. I got my little inflatable. She comes swinging past in a motorboat canoe. We was at this Michigan Creek. She has a jet engine strapped to each thigh. And they were thighs, man. They were thighs of size. And between them was the ignition point, which I set off accidentally through my enthusiasm. And then she went up and up and up the waterfall. She started turning. She created a vortex. It was going higher and higher. I was hanging onto her ankles, man. And she getting higher and I was swinging. I was centrifugal force pulling me out to the side. And as we got in the sky, then the buttons and the bows and the bells and the zips and the races and everything, I started crying. Two of them both naked, man. Naked in the sky. I couldn't believe it. And I was looking up and she was looking down and said, "What are you doing there, boy?" And I said, "Man, I gotta hang on." And then it was, when I let go of my enthusiasm, ended up going down the river, suddenly going downstream again on the other side of it. That was it.